if you're looking for writing advice, go and check out Brandon Sanderson. He's the author of the Mistborn series. He's on YouTube. He does lectures, and some of them might be like hours long. So if you want, check out Brandon Sanderson. He's got a book I've read called Steelheart, Mistborn, Way of Kings. So he's a published author. So he's probably one of the first ones you want to go and check out is Brandon Sanderson on YouTube. I'll put him in this description. He's got a new book out, Sunreach, Skyward. He's got lots of books on his Goodreads page. So yeah, if you need somebody to give you writing advice, I'm probably not gonna give you writing advice because it's already out there already. So you just need to find it, and Brandon Sanderson is where you should start. Okay, good luck with your writing. Bye.